welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you my nighttime skincare routine in partnership with Dermala. I've actually talked to you guys about them before. This is their Phobo Kit, which is a skincare regimen that you can follow to clear up some of your acne. So I'm going to be sharing with you guys how I use each of these products along with other skincare products that I incorporate in my skincare routine for nighttime. So let's go ahead and get started. Before we get started, I want to share with you guys a little bit of info on Dermala's Phobo Kit. As I mentioned, it is a 3-month skincare regimen that you can follow to clear up some of your acne, whether it's pimples, blackheads, or whiteheads. And if you don't know a lot about the brand, you can check out their Instagram or their website. And in their website, you can actually fill out a quiz before purchasing the kit so that they know which personalized formulation to send you in your kit. So basically, you get a little personalized formula for your skin type and your skin concerns. Now, this is what the Phobo Kit looks like. It includes 4 different products, 4 different steps for your skincare routine, and you can also download the Dermala Acne Tracker app to track your weekly acne progress. So it's basically a 5-step regimen, but 4 of them are skincare products. Now, as you can see, I just did my skincare routine. My skin is glowing. So I'm gonna go ahead and just share with you guys what I do and how I use each of these products. Now, this is a skincare routine that I've been doing at night. You know, I'm always switching up my skincare routines, but this is the one that I've been following whenever I feel like my skin is about to break out or when it is breaking out, just to clear it up a little bit faster. And I always start off with double cleansing. You guys know this is an essential part of my nighttime routine. I cannot go a night without doing it. And I always start off with a cleansing oil. This is the one that I've been using lately, and this is gonna break up all of that makeup or skincare and SPF that I've applied to my skin during the morning. After massaging this oil into my skin for about 30 to 60 seconds, I just rinse my skin with water and get ready for my second cleanser, and that's where the Dermala Cleanse with Benefits cleanser comes in. This is a morning and night cleanser. I only use it at night because I do have normal skin, but if you have oilier skin, you can use it in the morning and at night. Now, this cleanser is actually pH balanced. It has a pH balance of 5.2, and our skin's natural pH is 5.5. So it's not really going to disrupt our skin's natural barrier. And it also contains 0.5% of salicylic acid. So it's really going to help to unclog all of these pores in our skin and make sure those whiteheads, blackheads, and pimples are slowly fading away. Because the cleanser has salicylic acid, I always like to add a hydrating milky toner afterwards, just to add some extra boost of hydration to my skin and make sure my pH is perfect for the exfoliation that I'm going to do afterwards. After applying that hydrating milky toner, I go in with these scantily pads from Dermala. These are some exfoliating pads, as you can see right here. They do have 2 sides to them, which I really enjoy. One is textured and one isn't, so you can really choose which side to use depending on how your skin is feeling. And these contain salicylic acid and aloe vera, so they're gonna exfoliate, calm, and soothe the skin all at the same time. After using these scantily pads, I always go in with a rich, nourishing eye cream to moisturize that area and also prevent aging. Then I go in with a moisturizer just to make sure I moisturize the skin, obviously, and make sure my skin is feeling soft and plump. After I apply my moisturizer, I always go in with a lip mask just to make sure my lips are always feeling soft, hydrated, and plump. Then last but not least, if I have a pimple like I do right now, I go in with the Patch Me If You Can hydrocolloid pimple patches. You guys know I love pimple patches. I must always have them in my skincare drawer. They're honestly a lifesaver. And these I really like because they protect my pimple and treat it at the same time. I also really love that they come in different sizes, so you can choose the size of your pimple patch depending on the size of your pimple. And a really cool tip is to use these underneath your mask if you have pimples in that area, to protect your pimples from possible friction with the mask, because that's going to irritate it and make it even worse. To fully finish my routine, I take a daily supplement from Dermala. These are the Supplement to Be. They're full of antioxidants, vitamins, zinc, and a lot of good things that are really going to treat your skin from the inside out, which at the end of the day is the most important thing. All right, you guys, that is it. That is my current skincare routine for treating my breakouts. I hope you enjoyed it. If you want to see my before and after results, you can check out my Instagram because I posted them there. And if you have any questions about the Dermala products, you can leave a comment down below and I'll get back to you, or you can reach out to the Dermala team directly yourself. If you're curious and want to try these products, you can use the code KARLA20 for 20% off your order. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm so excited to be sharing this routine with you guys. Thank you, Dermala, for partnering with me, and I'll see you in my next video, guys. Bye!